Hey Lily, how does a doggy go once you climb in? Oh, you're so special. Good girl. Yay! How'd the doggy go? Huh? How'd the doggy go? Woof. How's the kitty cat go? How does a snake go? How does a horsey go? How'd a horsey go? Nay. How does a sheep go? Bah. How does an elephant go? What other animals do you know? How does a rooster go? Cock-a-doodle-doo! What else? What animals do you know? How does a fishy go? How does a rabbit go? You can't do the nose. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Say, I love. How about mommy? Say, I love you to mommy. I love. Stop pointing to Nana. Point to mommy. I love you. Punk. You punk.
How much do you love Nana?
How much do you love Nana?
Nope.
Go up to the ceiling. Up to the ceiling. Down to the floor. All the world and much, much more.